So let's tap into our questions. And remember, these questions, how long have you been? Some of you have been with me for the past 5 years. I've been asking you these questions because they're contemplated questions, but you're also asking spirit. You're asking your own soul these questions. So the answers are within. Also, I'm going to ask those of you who are on YouTube, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for subscribing, and make sure you give some love on that page. And those of you who are staying on Facebook, make sure you give me some love and some hearts, because there's about 17 of us and I've gotten 4 folks responding. Also, sometimes I don't see your messages, so I will look back later on, okay? I see Cheryl. Yes, I have become mindful of my thoughts daily. Beautiful, Cheryl. All right, are we ready? Let's take a moment. Now, this is what I'd like you to do. I would like you to relax your entire body. Just imagine being held in the hand of the Creator. And so you're totally enfolded in the presence of God, and the presence of God being within. It's all around you and it is within you, almost like this vortex that you're in, and it's coming in, surrounding and enfolding you, the presence of God. And because everything is vibrational in this movement, feel it, feel into it, feel into this vibratory frequency, feel into this harmonizing good as I ask these 4 questions. 4, I guess I'm asking 4 questions today. So you're completely relaxed. The first question: what is the nature of? What is the nature of harmony? What is the nature of harmonizing good? What does it feel like? What is the nature of harmonizing good? What does it feel like? What is the nature of harmonizing good? What does it feel like? Now, I want you to feel into that question. Feel into it. Imagine what it would feel like to have your life in harmonizing good, that your life is in harmony. How would you feel, and what would your life feel like? Feel into that question. And let's breathe into the question. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Feel into that harmonizing good. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Feel into that. Yes, yes, yes. And now we're going to ask our second questions. Now you're feeling into the harmonizing good. Let's see it. What is the nature of harmonizing good? What does it look like as my life? What is the nature of harmonizing good? What does it look like as my life? What is the nature of harmonizing good? What does it look like as my life? You're asking your own soul this question. It will reveal it to you. Imagine, what would your life look like in harmonizing good? How would you show up in this thing called life? How would your relationships be in this thing called life when it's in harmonizing good? How would you be in this harmonizing good? Now let's breathe into that. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Feel that. Feel into the harmony. Feel into it right now. Yes, yes, yes. This harmonizing good. See it. See it in and as your own life. You're feeling it. You're seeing it. And now we're going to ask the next question about harmonizing good. What is the nature of harmonizing good? What does it sound like as my voice? What is the nature of harmonizing good? What does it sound like as my voice? What is the nature of harmonizing good? What does it sound like as my voice? I want you to know, what would your voice sound like? What kind of words would you speak from harmonizing good? How would you speak of others? How would you speak about yourself from this vibration of harmonizing good? Asking yourself the question, the answers are within. And now I want you to feel the living breath And let's move into breathing. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Ah. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Ah. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Ah. Yes, there's birthday music going on in the background. Just celebrating, celebrating. Let's celebrate your birth. Yes, yes, yes. This harmonizing good. Yes, yes, yes. And now the last question is on harmonizing good. Harmonizing good. What is the nature of harmonizing good? What does it sound like in my thoughts? What is the nature of harmonizing good? What does it sound like in my thoughts? What is the nature of harmonizing good? What does it sound like in my own thoughts? You are wonderful. Yay. That's for you. Let's breathe into that. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Ah. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Ah. And inhale through the nose again. Exhale through the mouth. Ah. Yes, yes, yes. And so we're tapped into this harmonizing good. We see it, we feel it, we see it, we speak it, we think it. We see it, we feel it, we speak it, we think it. We see it, we feel it, we think it, we see it. This harmonizing good. Let it bring a smile to your face, and let's celebrate the harmonizing good for your own life. Yes, 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 yes. And so, how grateful we are for this time of stillness, grateful for life itself and the living breath we're breathing, and grateful for the knowing that right where we are, there's a harmonizing good that is revealing itself in and as your very being. Imagine that you're being celebrated right now. More good, more love, more joy than you can even imagine. For God is active, alive, and well as your life. In this, I am grateful. And so it is. Ashe.